Welcome students. Again, we are continuing the same chapters and going to perform a different example. It is little bit different as compared to the previous example which we have solved. I am going to read the question. Okay? Suman, Parag and Khushbu. That means Suman, Parag and Khushbu. Suman, Parag and Khushbu are the three partners sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 3:2:1. That means 3, 2 and 1. This is their profit and loss sharing ratio. Three partners, Suman, Parag and Khushbu, they are sharing their profit in the ratio of 3:1. That means 3:5:6, 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. Okay. Further, it is guaranteed by Suman and Parag that Khushbu will get a minimum of rupees 35,000 out of profit. That means Suman and Parag, they have guaranteed Khushbu to get 35,000. In any other case, she is going to get 35,000. That means Khushbu, she is going to get 35,000. 35,000 उसको किसी भी हाल में मिलेगा. सुमन एंड पराग ने उनके सामने कमिटमेंट किया. ओके. आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट, व्हाटसोएवर द प्रॉफिट इट इज, कितना भी प्रॉफिट हो उसमें उसको खुशबू को 35,000 को मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. दैट्स इट. If the profit of the firm for the year was rupees 1,50,000. Now, अभी हम देखते हैं प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ. प्रॉफिट इज 1,50,000. This is the profit. Means firm the profit 1,50,000, and out of this 1,50,000, Khushbu, she is going to get 35,000. 35,000 उसको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. इन लोगों का कमिटमेंट. ओके. नाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द प्रॉफिट अमंग द पार्टनर्स. अभी बोल रहा है कि इसकी प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो. ओके. लेट अस गो. लेट अस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द प्रॉफिट. अब हम प्रॉफिट बांटते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सुमन का हम प्रॉफिट निकालते हैं. सुमन का that is 3/6 into 1,50,000. How much? That is 75,000. Suman. Then next partner Parag. 2/6 into 1,50,000 equals to 50,000. Now Khushbu 1/6 into 1,50,000, that is 25,000. Now we have distributed the profit, and then Suman, she is getting 75,000, Parag 50,000, and Khushbu, she is getting 25,000. और इन लोगों ने कितना बोला था? 35,000. खुशबू को 35,000 देने को बोला था, but she is getting how much? 25,000. That means she requires more money. How much more? That is 10,000. 10,000 she needs more. For that 10,000, these two partners which have committed, they will give it. In which ratio? In their profit and loss ratio. So let us calculate it. Now, Suman, how much Suman will give? We will write it here. Suman. Suman, how much she will give? She will give, that is 3 upon 5 into 10,000. That is rupees 6,000. And Parag 2 upon 5 into 10,000. That is rupees 4,000. Is it clear? 6,000 and 4,000. 6,000 Suman she is going to give, and 4,000 that Parag is going to give. That means if we write the profit, Suman 75,000, then Parag 50,000, and Khushbu 25,000. Now Suman, how much she will give? 6,000 more. That means this 6,000 will be subtracted from the Suman. Okay? We are going to subtract 6,000. That is 69,000. Now again, this 4,000 is going to be given by Parag. That is 50,000 minus 4,000. That is 45,000. And this 10,000 is included in Khushbu's account. 35,000. Is it clear? We have seen that after distributing the profit, we found that Khushbu, she got only 25,000. But they have committed that she will be getting 35,000. Instead of that, she got only 25,000. Now it's their duty to give them the amount which they have committed, that is 10,000. For that, we calculated this 10,000 from Suman and Parag's account. Suman 3 upon 5 into 10,000, that is 6,000. Suman will give 6,000. That's why 6,000 is subtracted from their account profit. Now Parag, he is going to give 4,000. So out of the profit of Parag, 50,000, 4,000 was subtracted. That means after subtracting the amount, Suman got 69,000, Parag got 45,000, and according to the commitment given, Khushbu got 35,000. This is the way to solve these kinds of questions. And these kinds of questions are basically asked in your board examinations. So, understand it well, practice it well, then only you will be able to solve these kind of questions. For that, you need to practice it very well. Then, for you have to practice it at home. Then stay safe, stay at home, and be happy. Okay.